Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the third part for how to use the Cablerator add-on. So let's get started. We use the shortcut Shift-Alt-C to bring the panel of the Cablerator add-on as shown here. So just hold down Shift to select the object and the curve as shown here. Shift-Alt-C. Then I will continue to using some features like this, merge endpoints. Shift-Alt-C. If you want to add connectors, you should select object and a curve, these two endpoints and the objects. So let's switch the Cablerator add-on as shown here, add connectors. This is gonna be adding to other objects, and this menu will pop up to assign connectors to points. So we have many different features for that. In order to apply this offset point feature, hit S and drag. Offset connector D as shown here. Can connect these two endpoints and add in two objects for the endpoint. Scale connector T. If you want to scale it, connector like this. Just to make it tiny bit, just small. Flip direction, and to have other features, try it yourself. Also, for now, let's try this feature. Shift-Alt-C, edit or edit segment, add or edit segment. For example, let's try it. I've got this menu, this panel, add segments to a curve. For example, offset segment. Hit the D key in order to make some changes, adding some detailing for that. Tilt segment, hit F key. If you want to tilt segment, A to add array like this. If you want to change the array count, hit C key and drag left mouse cursor as shown here, and we'll create elements and change the array count to 5. Ctrl Z to undo. Also offset array elements, hit S. If you want to change the offset and distance in between different array elements, hit to remove array like this. Q if you want to duplicate, Ctrl Z. Let's undo. If you want to convert this mesh and make it following this curve, creating array. So just apply convert curve to mesh cable, and you should just select an object and paths in object mode like this, and this mesh is gonna be following the curve and creating array. Create a mesh, and this you will get this menu. Also, let's try some features. Original curve width, hit S. Also, you can change it like this. Relative close offset, hit D in order to change it, to make distance in between these different spheres. Constant close offset, hit E. So let's try to change it again, and if you want, offset cable W. Can make some changes, hit F to tilt the cable. Also, we have this feature to simulate cable. Click on it after selecting this cable, so expand the length, for example 10. Curves point multiplier, for example 4. So let's try it. Okay. and you have got the shape, and to change control the shape and the offset of this cable as shown here. Also for insulate, let's just select this sphere. In order to try this feature, click on insulate. Number of segments, you have got this panel, create insulation, draw two lines to define. So let's try it. Should draw two lines like this. The width, you can't change the width, hit S and drag. So let's see what we have. We have created insulation around this sphere. And we have many other features like adding hooks and applying them as shown here. Apply hooks to selected, remove, and this is not something very important. And for helpers, add remove Bezier point and cut Bezier curve. Also have many different options like applying symmetry. Can't try them, it's very super easy. Thanks for watching.